The question is a solid mass of 40 gram is heated to a constant temperature 220 degrees Celsius and then dropped into 150 gram of water at 15 degrees Celsius contained in a copper calorimeter of mass 50 gram. If the final temperature attained by the mixture is 20 degrees Celsius, then apply the principle of method of mixtures to find the specific heat capacity of the given solid. Given that specific heat capacity of water as 4200 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius and specific capacity of copper to be 400 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius. Okay. Now firstly the heat lost by the solid, which is represented by Qs, which would be mass of solid into specific heat of solid into change in temperature, which is temperature of solid minus final temperature. Okay. Now we know that 0.04 kilogram is the mass. We don't know the specific heat capacity of that particular solid. Multiply by we know the solid temperature to be 220 minus the final temperature as 20. Okay. Now on solving this, we get heat lost by the solid to be equal to 8 into specific heat of the solid. Okay. Now we will find the heat gained by the water, that is QW. It is equal to mass of water into specific heat of water into difference in temperature, final temperature minus temperature of water. Okay. Now we know mass of water to be 0.15 kilograms, multiply by specific heat to be 4200 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius, multiply by the temperature difference, which is 20 degrees Celsius minus 15 degrees Celsius. Now on solving this, we get the heat gained by water to be 3150 joules. Okay. Now heat gained by the calorimeter, let's say by QC, is equal to mass of calorimeter into specific heat of calorimeter into final temperature minus temperature of water. Okay. Now the heat gained by the calorimeter is equal to 0.05 kilogram multiplied by 400 multiplied by 20 minus 15 as the temperature difference, which we will get around 100 joules. So this is the heat gained by the calorimeter. Now if I apply the principle of mixtures, I know that the heat lost by the substance will be equal to the heat gained by water plus heat gained by the calorimeter. Now from here I can find the equation that 8 into specific heat of that particular substance or solid is equal to 3150 plus 100 joules, which is equal to 8 CS would be equal to 3250 joules. Okay. Now from here we get the specific heat of that particular solid to be equal to 3250 divided by 8, which is equal to 406.25 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.